It-tkabbir tal-industrija tal-gaming f'Malta mhuwiex biss riżultat iktar kumpaniji li qed jistabbilixxu rieħhom f'pajjiżna, iżda wkoll riżultat ta' tkabbir tal-kumpaniji eżistenti. Eżempju ta' dan hija l-kumpanija Aspire Global li tipprovdi s-servizzi lill-kumpaniji tal-gaming oħra madwar id-dinja. Saħi Majmon, il-kap eżekuttiv ta' Aspire Global, stqarmana li ftit wara li twaffqet il-kumpanija barra minn xtutna fl-2005 ittieħdet id-deċiżjoni li jirilokaw f'Malta u fid-9 snin li ilhom f'pajjiżna il-kumpanija kibret brata mgħaġġla tant li saħansitra fl-aħħar ġimgħat tħallit tinkiteb fil-borża tal-Iżvezja.
We started in 2008 in an apartment in Portomasso. And we arrived Malta because of the license. This is one of the reasons. We wanted to be closer to the regulator here in Malta to operate in Europe. This is one of the reasons. And the other reasons is that it's enabled Aspire Global to have, because of our multilingual services, to have an access to a lot of employees that can speak different languages, and Malta is a perfect match for that.
Aspire Global għandha 6 liċenzji biex topra f'pajjiżi differenti fosthom pajjiżna, iżda l-għażla dejjem baqgħet Malta. Majmon saħaq li tul is-snin l-operaturi raw is-settur tal-gaming Malti jikber biex jilqa' kumpaniji ġodda u dan kien jeħtieġ li r-regolatur jadatta għalihom. Hawnhekk faħħar l-Awtorita Maltija dwar il-logħob li irnexxiela tagħmel propju dan.
The regulator is that he is listening. We had several talks with the regulator throughout the years. And when they come, they hear our inputs, our feedback, and you can see throughout the years what they are fixing in line.
Minkejja żieda fil-kompetizzjoni li ġib magħha l-espansjoni tas-settur, skont Majmon, il-kumpaniji tal-gaming xorta jagħżlu li jaħdmu minn Malta minħabba il-ħeffa li biha jistgħu jkunu implementati id-deċiżjonijiet.
There are much more companies than before. The competition is harder, but I think that on the other side, when you talk and face with the regulator and all the other partners, so it's enabling you to have a distance from decision to implementation much faster than if we were not here in Malta. So I think that it's improving and giving us an option to proceed fast with decisions we are making.
Stqarmana li l-ikbar sfida l-kumpaniji tal-gaming hi li jżommu l-ħaddiema milli jmorru jaħdmu ma' kumpaniji oħra u għalhekk jippreferu jħaddmu ħaddiema Maltin minħabba il-lealtà tagħhom.
We find, and there are a lot of them, good ones. Yes, we find, and they don't need to have any special training because we train them. We have all the training sessions, so we find it. We just want talented people, not more than that. I can tell you that where we can have Maltese employees, we are choosing the Maltese just because of their loyalty.
26% tal-150 ħaddiem ta' Aspire Global huma Maltin, iżda hemm laċ biex din il-figura tiżdied u iktar Maltin jitħajru jaħdmu fis-settur.